Well, today I'm going to show you how to enhance your video quality in 4K, just like Topaz Video AI. So make sure you don't skip any part, because even a small step can make a big difference. Watch till the end. So let's cook. First, open CapCut, add your clip, then delete the outro. Now click on the clip and scroll left to find the Adjust option. And then you can customize settings according to your clip, and you can also copy my settings. Here you can color grade your clips if you want, but I don't need it right now. It already looks great. And now you can really see the difference. The video looks sharper, clearer, and perfectly enhanced. Alright, now export your video on 1080p, 60 FPS, using a high bitrate. After that, I'll teach you how to upscale it to 4K HDR. I'm using the Wink app to upscale my videos. You can download it from my Telegram channel. I've added the link in the description below. And make sure to use a VPN before opening the app for the first time. Now click on the AI Repair option. You'll see two options, Basic and Pro. Select the Basic option so you can customize the settings manually. The upscaling process usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes, depending on your video file size and internet speed, and if you face any troublesome, just comment below. The upscaling is done, and you can see how the pixels are repaired, and the video looks much smoother now. Click on Save, and your 4K HDR video is all set. If you learned anything from this video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. This is my very first video, so I really appreciate your support as a new creator. Also, let me know in the comments which topic you'd like me to cover in the next video. See you soon.